y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. How you doing? How you feeling? I hope you're having a great day, a great week, a great month, all that. Today we're doing another what's on my iPhone because one of my subscribers recommended it. Girl, I see you. I just want to give a shout out. I'm gonna put her comment and her username on the screen somewhere. I just want to say thank you so much, Rose. I hope that's your name. I saw it in your username, and so I'm hoping that's your name. I hope that's not like just something that you decide to do, but I thank you so much. You have been a loyal subscriber. You always support me. I see you on my social medias and everything. I just want to thank you so much. And anytime you or any of my subscribers recommend a video or something that they want to see, I'm gonna try to make it happen. So I just want to thank you so much for rocking with me and always saying you love my videos and always supporting me on anything that I'm doing. So I just want to thank you so much because it really means a lot to me. So let's get straight into the video. So we're gonna screen record. Wait. Now you said that you wanted to see, you wanted to update what's on my iPhone, as well as what I like about the let me just read the comment. It says, hey girl, hey, love your videos. Can you do an update what's on my phone and review on what I like about the iPhone? Now I don't know if you meant what I like about the one that I have right now, because I have not upgraded since my last what's on my iPhone, which was the 11 Pro Max. I did not upgrade this year. I know if you've been working with me from the beginning, y'all know that I always upgrade, but this year I had no need to. Like, I really love my phone. I really didn't see no like no real ammunition to like upgrade, you know. So I didn't upgrade this year, and I really love my phone. Like, it's everything that I've ever imagined. I have, like I said, I have the 11 Pro Max. This is the case that I have right now. This is my case from Lux Afro, from my online business. So if y'all want that, y'all can go get it. I have iPhones, all the iPhones from 6 and up, and no, 6S and up, and then I have the Samsungs 10 and up. I think I said that right. I'm not really a Samsung person, so I don't know, but I have iPhone and Samsung. So yeah, I've had this phone like since I've done the video before of what's on my iPhone, and I absolutely love it. I love the cameras. I just love everything about it. Like, there was no need for me to upgrade. So if you wanted to know, you know, where I stand on that, that should tell you a lot, because I upgrade every year. So for me not to upgrade, that's speaking volumes in itself. So I really love I love everything about it. Also, I'm gonna apologize if you hear Fred running around. That's my robot vacuum cleaner, and he's cleaning the house right now. I told him to clean it at 7 a.m. He wanted to clean it at 8. So, you know, he gonna do what he wanna do, because I mean, he made the rules. But yeah, so we're gonna dive right in. All right, we're gonna screen record in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So me and my husband are on the cover of my front page, and then when you open it up, it's gonna say Mood CEO. I got this off of Pinterest, and I just love it because it just motivates me, you know, because I am a CEO, and I even want to be a bigger CEO, you know what I'm saying? I just want to be successful, wealthy, happy, just all of it. So I just love opening my phone, seeing that, because it just kind of motivates me every day to get up, get it, do what I gotta do to make my dreams come true. So we're gonna go all the way over to the other side. I just have my weather app, the news app. I have my Bible verse of the day. I have all of my charger things right here. My phone is on 67%, I'm surprised. Then I have the lights to my house, and then I have Focus Keeper. Now, Focus Keeper, I'll go more into detail when we hit that app later on. So that's what I have right there. And then when you slide it over, you see this. That is my mom. I have the photo widget. I have a bunch of pictures and things like that. That show periodically. It constantly changes throughout the day. Then you're gonna see mail, basic photos, basic Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will link all my Instagrams down below. I have Spotify. I don't have a subscription with Spotify, but I love Spotify. I'm kind of just so hooked on Apple Music that I can't really switch over, but I still love and listen to Spotify all the time. My favorite ones are the R&B one. And then I also really like Feeling Myself, as well as chilled R&B. Oh, and also Get Turned. It just kind of depends on what kind of mood I'm in, you know what I'm saying? So got Spotify, YouTube, of course. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow me if you rock with me like that. Netflix. What are y'all watching on Netflix? Like, comment down below. Like, I'm always looking for new shows. Me and my best friend are always looking for new shows to watch and things like that. Right now not really watching much of anything right now. I have so many shows to catch up on, like it's ridiculous. But I am watching Firely Lane right now. Trying to catch up before they bring the second season back. And so right there, oh, I'm getting ready to start Manifest. I cannot wait to watch that. I know a lot of people have been watching that and talking about how great it is. Cannot wait to get to watch that. But yeah, Working Moms, I want to start watching that. One of my favorite movies just got added on here, The Best Man. Now, I already had it, I already bought it, but I'm glad to see that it's on Netflix. But let me know if you're watching anything and you know that you think that I might like, or you just want to suggest. I would love to check it out. The next one is my socials, which is Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat as well. I will link it down below. Everything also, anytime, anything important, anything social media, anything, make sure you check in the description box down below, because 9 times out of 10 it is in there. Twitter, I really don't get on Twitter that much. I just really have the app. I never really get on Twitter unless I'm trying to be nosy and see, like, you know how Twitter gonna show you things that Instagram isn't. You know, that's what I do. Then TikTok, love me some TikTok. I will put that down below as well. And then Pinterest, y'all know I love Pinterest so much, because you find all great kind of stuff on there, like, all the time. Right here with the square Planoly. I don't know, but that's where I plan my Instagram. I plan my Instagram for my personal page, and then also my business pages. I plan it out ahead so that I don't always have to feel like I have to post like so much and I don't know what to post. So I plan it out weeks, sometimes months. If I'm really feeling kind of proactive, I will plan it out months ahead, but I really just plan it out a week ahead. I have Google search because I'm always searching something on Google. I have my calendar, I have R&B, and then I have my Apple Music. So I have all those in that square. The next one are my devotionals. Now, I'm not gonna go into these because I just did a video on it, so make sure you check that out. I just did a video going through all of these. These has really been helping me, and I really stand by them wholeheartedly. But we just have the practice code, She Reads Truth, Glorify, and Daily Grace. The next one is business. Now, the business and the stocks and crypto, I'm not gonna go into detail about it on this video because I'm gonna be doing a two-part business video soon, and I just don't want to kind of be repeating myself. Like, I'll do it on this video and then turn around and do it on this, and I really have a lot of apps in these folders, you know what I'm saying? So I am going to do a separate video on that, but these are my business / stocks and crypto folders. Then I have my finances, which is just, you know, banks and bills, nothing too important. My picture is, this is my favorite picture of myself right now, and yeah. And then when you go over, I have Market Watch, which kind of lets you know what stocks are what stocks are in and out, and just give you news on stocks. The next one is News Break, just give you news about what's going on in the world. The next one is kind of like my personal vision board, like my phone vision board. I have one of the squares as like motivation, saying something, you know, motivating. Says the best project you will ever work on is yourself, a word. Then I have like some food inspo because I never know what to cook. Like, do y'all have that problem? Like, I literally never know what to cook. Like, I just, you know, just have to find different things because I don't know. And then the next one is like my dream home. So I have a bunch of pictures on Pinterest that I kind of collect from time to time as I want my dream home to look like, and they change. All these change periodically, just like I told you that the photo widget does. And then when you slide over, that's just all the apps like that. So nothing too exciting, you know. I have the phone, the Safari, Messenger, and then I have I still have Noonlight till this day because I feel like it is so important. Like, you can hold it down like this until you get to a safe spot. If you let it go for any reason, they will call the police and send them to your exact location, and you have to put your code in. If you do not put the code in, then they're coming for you. You have 10 seconds or 20 seconds or something like that. I don't even remember, but you have a few seconds to, you know, put your code in so that you can be safe, and they'll even text you. And you can also text them if you're somewhere where you can't like call or talk. You can send them a text message as well. So I really stand by that app. But yeah, y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all that's on my iPhone. Like I said, I still love this iPhone. Like, that is speaking volumes, y'all, because y'all know I'm gonna upgrade. If I don't do nothing else, I'm gonna upgrade. But like, I love my phone. Like, there's no reason to upgrade. I'm going to have this phone until two things. Either it comes out and I just have to get another one, or they come out with a phone and I'm like, okay, I need that. But until then, I'm so happy with my phone, the color, the camera, the battery life, every single thing about it, until I don't really see a reason to upgrade. So hope you enjoyed this updated video. I know it's kind of short, simple, quick to the point. I am going to go over those 2 other folders in another video, but I just don't want to be, you know, y'all hear it here and then y'all hear it there. I kind of just want to do it all in one video because it is a lot of apps. Like, it's a ton of apps in those folders, and it would take this video will probably be an hour long. So I'm gonna do a whole nother video explaining all that stuff. I'm gonna do a 2-part business little series, and which might turn into a big series. You know, I just don't really know yet. But yeah, so I hope y'all all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you rock with me like that. And if there's other videos that you want to see or other things you want me to update, please comment down below and I will be happy to do them. Thank you so much again, y'all. Don't forget to have a great day, and don't forget to uplift yourself. You know, I feel like sometimes we don't do that. So uplift yourself, keep striving, keep being you, and just keep being that person. You know what I'm saying? So thank you so much. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.